It's birthday time, and you know what that means. Slay mode activated. Today, we're turning Belinda into the star of the show. Remember, I'm not a photographer. I arrange clothes and accessories. Let's look at the behind the scenes of picking the perfect outfit. Easy. Making sure they look absolutely stunning. Even easier, we're serving looks, confidence, and just a little bit of extra birthday magic. The dresses were carefully selected from House of CB and Age World. The black velvet dress exudes elegance and sophistication, while the pearl necklace adds a classic and timeless touch. The fitted bodice and flared skirt create a flattering silhouette, making it perfect for a celebratory occasion. The red heels add a pop of color, making the outfit even more striking. Another level of fabulous year unlocked. Happy birthday, beautiful. Keep shining and keep slaying.